Have you ever wondered about the remarkable capabilities and inner workings of a kamikaze drone? Today, we invite you to join us as we delve into the world of the Iranian Shaheed 136, also known as the Geranium II in Russia. This cutting-edge drone is a testament to technological advancements in warfare. From its engine to its operation, we will uncover the secrets behind its functionality. So let's explore the kamikaze drone. Before we dive into the technical details, let's first understand why the Shaheed 136 is a significant development. This low-budget cruise missile is priced at just $10,000 to $20,000, making it a cost-effective alternative to other high-priced missiles, like the American Tomahawk. Its affordability, combined with its swarm capabilities, makes it a formidable presence on the modern battlefield. The Shaheed 136 belongs to a category of drones known as loitering munitions or kamikaze drones. These are single-use, rapid response systems designed to target hidden or covered enemy positions. They provide a cost-effective solution by avoiding the need to deploy high-value drones near the target area. However, like any technology, they have their advantages and disadvantages. We'll explore that in this video. The Shaheed 136 measures approximately 3.56 meters in length with a wingspan of 2.59 meters. Its delta wing configuration sets it apart, giving it stability and maneuverability. The drone weighs around 220 kilograms, with its warhead varying between 5 and 35 kilograms, depending on the mission. Powering this kamikaze drone is a modest Motto MD550 engine, a 50 horsepower civilian engine commonly found in scooters or mopeds. This small engine allows the drone to reach a range of up to 1,000 kilometers, while its reported cruising range is 2,500 kilometers. Soldiers on the battlefield have described the sound of the Shaheed 136 resembling the iconic World War II German planes, the Stuka, creating a psychological impact during its flights. The Shaheed 136 is guided by the GLONASS, or anti-radiation seeker, located in the middle of its fuselage. The anti-radiation seeker detects and hones in on enemy radio emissions, allowing the drone to strike its target with precision. Additionally, the drone incorporates flaps known as elephants, which function as elevators aiding in its maneuverability. Let's take a closer look at the step-by-step process of how the Shaheed 136 operates. The drones are carried on truck carriers disguised as cargo transport vehicles. Each launcher transports around 5 menacing drones. Once launched, the drones use inertial navigation or GLONASS data for guidance. They loiter at extremely low altitudes, making them difficult to detect. When the target is reached, the drones dive in simultaneously, overwhelming the enemy's defenses. Their swarm capabilities, combined with low-altitude flight, create a challenging situation for air defense systems to counter effectively. While the Shaheed 136 poses a significant threat on the battlefield, it also has its limitations. Its reliance on civilian inertial navigation systems make it susceptible to jamming or disruption. Additionally, its relatively slow speed can be countered by advanced anti-aircraft systems, such as the German self-propelled anti-aircraft gun, Japan, or the Soviet Union's U-23. These advanced anti-aircraft systems provide effective countermeasures against kamikaze drones. They are capable of engaging low-flying targets at ranges of 2.5 to 5.5 kilometers, depending on the system. By deploying these countermeasures, the effectiveness of the Shaheed 136 can be significantly reduced. Considering all the limitations, we have to remember that these drones operate in swarms, meaning that if some are successfully countered, there's a high probability that at least one drone will get through the defense. This highlights the dangerous potential of swarm attacks on the modern battlefield. Now let's discuss the step-by-step process of launching the Shaheed 136. The drones are carried on truck carriers that appear to be standard cargo transport vehicles. However, concealed within these covers are the menacing swarm drones, ready for deployment. Once launched, the drones utilize inertial navigation or GLONASS data for guidance. This allows them to autonomously navigate towards their targets, while the low-altitude flight makes them harder to detect and engage. The Shaheed 136's delta wing configuration, along with the two-stroke engine, provides it a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. This allows the drones to cover significant distances while remaining airborne, giving them extended operational capabilities. The warhead of the Shaheed 136 ranges from 5 to 35 kilograms, depending on the specific mission requirements. This flexibility allows the drones to adapt to different scenarios and target types, providing versatility in their applications on the battlefield. In conclusion, the Shaheed 136 Kamikaze drone from Iran is a significant development in the world of military technology. Its affordability, swarm capabilities, and operational range make it a formidable presence on the modern battlefield. As the technology evolves, it is crucial to continue analyzing and understanding the potential benefits and risks that these advancements bring to the world of warfare.